What's going on, guys? Now, our customer brought back his 2021 Explorer ST after we did an Eibach lowering kit on it. And he said, guys, my performance SUV looks like a performance SUV, but it's got 400 horsepower and it sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Said, don't you worry, we got the fix for that. We called up the guys over at AWE Exhaust and got their Touring Edition cat back. It has landed. We're gonna get this thing in the shop and get it installed. And here it is. We got the AWE Touring system installed on this Explorer ST. This exhaust system is made out of 304L stainless steel and features their drone canceling 180 technology. That means that when we're on it, we hear this baby, but when we're cruising, no drone in the cab. Not only is this made to the highest of construction standards, it also looks great with 4.5-inch slash cut tips out back. Now, enough of this technical jargon. You guys are here for exhaust clips. Let's make it happen. Right now, we're cruising along at 50 miles an hour, and just like I said, with their drone canceling technology, not a care in the world. I can talk to you guys, I can talk to passengers in the back, and we're not fighting exhaust note the whole time. So we know what it sounds like when we're cruising, but let's hear what it sounds like when we're really getting down on it. And that wraps up an install of an AWE exhaust on this Explorer ST. If you guys are looking to make your ST sound as good as it looks, make sure to reach out to us at help@sthqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.